Depende sa goals ng kanyang department or agency.
Sir, former ES Vic Rodriguez said that there's no need for courtesy resignation, to call for courtesy resignation of all cabinet secretaries because the core problem is the president himself. Optics lang daw.
Alam mo si Vic Rodriguez, daldal ng daldal yan eh. Do you listen to him? Huh? Why was he taken out of the office? Wala pa siyang 3 buwan. Gusto niya makipag-away, wag na. Kaya mo, kantsaw lang siya eh. Kantsaw ng kantsaw. That's when you see, in the middle of night, a dog barking at the fence. If you want to get up, you get up and throw stones at that dog. But we will not do that to him. Wag na nating pansinin.
Salamat, ES.
Next question, Tristan Nadalo, Newswatch.
Hi sir, good afternoon po. Sir, based dito sa initial na results nung evaluation po, no, baka lang may perception yung tao walang bagong pumalit or parang new breed na dinagdag. Are we expecting the President na may mga idadagdag siya talagang wala doon sa initial na list, sir?
Yes, alam mo, mahirap natin i-prejudge yung actions that will be taken. But you can be sure that the President really wants to be responsive to the popular clamor for performance, for change. Alam nyo, one time, recently lang, sinabi niya na we seem not to be delivering to the common tao because they are the greater number of our people. So what must we do? We must have action men. So you can be sure that that is the direction that this, I'm not calling this a purge, it's a cleansing. Dahil gusto ni Presidente talaga, mahal niya ang taong bayan eh. Yeah, if you listen to him very carefully, his language were not measured, they were spontaneous tungkol sa sentiment niya na it's time to serve again, to show the people that we are serving them. Yun, standard.
Just a follow-up na lang po. Yung action man, sir, ibig sabihin may mga bagong papasok na wala doon sa original list ng...
Hindi naman. Maaring meron. No? I cannot just say that now because until the President has decided, no one can second guess what the President really has in his heart. Okay? Now, you know that the President, based on how you observed him, is a sincere individual. He has been very frank. Wala siyang tinatago eh. Walang disguise. So, when the time comes for each of the individuals, 52 na ang nag-submit, we do not know how this 52 will fare. No? Meron na tayong 5 na na-retain and 2 na pagbabakasyonin. Literally. Okay?
I think that's all, ES. Thank you very much.
You can-
We have one more.
Yes, yes.
Eden Sanchez po from Net25. Good afternoon po. Pwede naman daw pong sibakin ni Pangulong Marcos, yun pong mga gusto niyang alisin, bakit nagpasubmit pa raw po ng courtesy resignation. And pasensya na po if I have to ask this, di daw po ba ito parang pampapogi lang sa public?
Ay, alam nyo, mahirap naman na sabihin nyo kung ano ang dapat, hindi na kailangan na mag-courtesy resignation. Ilagay ninyo ang sarili ninyo sa aming pwesto. Kung tamaan mo yung isang tao, ano ang lalabas na mukha mo? It's best that we did it this way so that it will be more honorable for them. Hindi naman kami yung diktador na magsasabi, oy, wala ka na, sisipain mo na. When I said that we are all serving at the will of the President, at the President's pleasure, we have to humanize. So, demanding a courtesy resignation is the best way of doing it because all that you can do is just to accept. And that's the end of the debate. you don't really need to follow what others are saying because they are not in the saddle. They may have different views of it when their time comes, if ever that time will come. Pero the best advice is our own counsel, our own conscience.
Quick follow-up lang po. Can you consider it as failure po on the part of the President na nakapaglagay po siya, nakapagtalaga ng mga official na underperforming or not performing well? And meron po ba tayong timeline kung kailan po mararamdaman ng ating mga kababayan itong mas maganda at maayos na serbisyo sa public sa mga bago?
Dalawang tanong yan. Yung unang tanong mo, ikaw ba pag meron kang niligawan, alam mo ba na may... Ibig sabihin nun, at the start, you do not know how this guy will perform. So that's more or less a very, hindi ko masabi kung anong tanong yan. Yung pangalawa na tanong mo, ano na ba yun? Mararamdaman, kagad. Wala nang iba eh. Kung ang trabaho mo ay mag-deliver ng tinapay, deliver ka ng masarap na tinapay. Ganun lang. Hindi naman pwedeng, oy, bukas pa. Wag. Ngayon na. Kasi taong bayan naghihintay.
Thank you very
Kala ko,
much.
tatanungin mo na naman yung political.
Thank you very much, Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamin, Malacanang Press Corps, Undersecretary Cervantes,
Sige na,
and
okay lang. Time is up.
yes,
Then marami pa naman, you will have more opportunities when more action will be coming. Okay. One last question daw.
One last question, sir, from Alvin Baltazar of Radyo Pilipinas.
Yes, magandang hapon po. Yes, pwede po bang malaman yung composition ng review committee na sumisiyasat doon sa performance evaluation ng ating mga members ng cabinet?
Well, hindi namin pwedeng sabihin sa inyo yung membership ng committee na yan, but you can be sure that they are the highly calibered, highly yung mga taong with an objective character. Maybe those who have been experienced, I can generalize only. Okay? Now, ang pag-uusga naman, it is based on what are observed, what are on the ground now, or performance, etc. So these are all brought to the attention of the President who makes the ultimate decision whether to dismiss or accept the resignation or to continue or to give a new mandate or what.
Yes, follow-up lang po. Doon sa mga nag-submit ng resignation, meron po bang nag-submit ng irrevocable resignation?
Ay, wala pa akong awareness dyan. But maybe in a few days' time we will know. Kasi karamihan naman ang memorandum ko kasi is unqualified courtesy resignation. When I submitted my own courtesy resignation letter, I did not use the word unqualified anymore, but I just made it plain that if the President deems to accept this resignation, I am already ready to turn over the pending matters in my office to my successor. Now, tandaan ninyo ito, ang acceptance of a resignation does not then and there cut off your connection because you still continue to have a responsibility to turn over to your successor. Okay? Hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan yan na pagtatalikod sa ating sinumpaang salaysay yan. Ay, sinumpaang salaysay. Yung oath of office natin, kung bigla na lang natin iiwanan yung trabaho, in an office like this, malalaki yan. So, iiwanan mo, bahala na yung sumunod sa'yo. Hindi. So, ganun ang tingin natin dyan. Let the process proceed.
Salamat po.
Thank you. So, wala na. Okay na.
Apo. That
Thank
wraps
you.
up our briefing today. Yes.
Yes. Salamat sa inyo, ha. You wait for future announcements.
Thank you very much. Yes,